Don't eat it. We're gonna roll it. Ready? Roll it. Roll it. Let's see how your ball came out. Pretty good. Show Dad. Show Dad your ball. Peanut butter ball.
Papa.
That's right. We're gonna make a peanut butter ball. Okay, put it on the plate. Here, put it right there with all the others. Yay! We're gonna dip it in chocolate. Okay? You want some more? Okay, here. Here. Put that in your hand. Roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it. Oh, very nice. You want to put it on the plate? Okay. Put it on the plate. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, you don't want it on the plate? No? Okay. Well, we're going to dip that one.